Hey guys, I'm Craig with ACM Technic. Today I'm going to go ahead and do a quick tutorial video on how to install the Mark 8.5 puddle lights in your Mark 8 GTI or Mark 8 Golf R. Stay tuned. All right, first thing we want to go ahead and do is set our mirror down as far as we can. This will give us the ability to go ahead and expose enough space so we pop the mirror out using our plastic trim tools. Be very careful in not breaking the mirror. I've done this before. Now the more you've done this, the easier the mirror is able to get out. So I'm going to do a very light amount of pressure to pop that out. There's going to be two clips at the top. I'm going to go ahead and use your trim tool to go ahead and pop those clips out. As you see, the inner one is a little bit easier for me to get than the outer one, but here we go, I got it. There are going to be 3 Torx screws here. We're going to go ahead and undo all 3 of those. Once you actually undo that, just set those to the side. You'll need to go ahead and use those to put everything back. On the back side, there's going to be 2 Torx screws holding on to your indicators here. Once you undo those, you lift the indicators out. You move the whole window or mirror frame out. That'll give you access to the puddle lights, and in there is another Torx bit holding the puddle light in place. What you want to do is unplug it, undo the screw, and then you just remove the old one, plug the new one in, screw it in, and reverse everything else. These are the Mark 8.5 GTI puddle lights available on acmtechnic.com.